Welcome to Module 9 for ED 584. This module introduces the factorial ANOVA, and specifically, it has a focus on the two-way between subjects design. Just as a heads up, this topic is a bit more involved and conceptually tricky than our previous work with one-way ANOVAs. In previous modules, we examined the one-way ANOVA, where there was a single independent variable or factor with multiple levels. In the case of a two-way factorial ANOVA, we add an additional independent variable to the research design and analysis. In other words, the two-way notation indicates that there are two independent variables, also known as factors. The analysis examines the relationship between the factors and the dependent variable. The analysis allows us to examine the data for interaction effect between the factors. In fact, investigating interaction effects is a primary reason to implement a factorial ANOVA design. For this module, we keep our focus on the two independent variables, or two-way design. But one could expand this design into a three-way factorial ANOVA. The three-way ANOVA would examine three independent variables and their effects on the dependent variable. With the addition of each factor, the complexity of interpreting the results increases. It is not common to see ANOVAs used in the behavioral research literature with greater than three independent variables. Through our readings, we will examine the mathematical foundation behind the two-way between subjects factorial ANOVA. Once a good conceptual understanding of this foundation is developed, SPSS can be used to do most of the numbers crunching for us. And as we get into this, here are the learning objectives for this module. And then we provide some supporting material resources on the two-way factorial ANOVA design. And we've got, I've put in, there are four videos that are really good that Dr. Kitchell put together on the factorial ANOVA, and he goes through the factorial ANOVA using SPSS and how to run the data. For the reading, it'll be chapter 14 for the statistics, the behavioral sciences, and then chapter 6.7 on how to use SPSS. And then we also provide a link to an article on the research methods knowledge base, which will provide more information, more resources on the factorial designs. The Module 9 reflected commentary is the assessment for this. And then there are things here to go over, to read through, things to think about for our next module. Short reminder, or a quick reminder, we're just a short 2 months away from the deadline for the final project and your final presentation. And then in the website, here are the links to Dr. Kitchell's videos. Do not hesitate to let me know if you have a hard time opening those. We did this on something other than YouTube, so let me know. And then here's the supplemental PowerPoint, the web link for the research methods knowledge base, and Factorial designs that web link, and then put up a YouTube video for the two-way ANOVA. And then the other links are available to you. As always, do not hesitate to let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk to you later. Thank you.